Hi guys, I'm Sana and welcome back to the Sublime Life YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about the difference between a toner, essence and serum and why you should be using all of them separately. It's just that so many of us believe that a toner and essence could probably do the same job, or a essence and serum can be interchangeable. And if you believe in this too, then stay tuned to know why you should be using all of them separately. Starting with what is a toner. So we've all heard that toner is a very essential part in our skincare routine. It is the second step in the most basic skincare routine of CTM, cleanse, tone and moisturize. Toner is essentially the skincare product that preps your skin to ensure that all the actives in your serum work well when you layer it on later. So you can use a toner either by spraying it on your face or either by using a cotton pad. So if you want to start with a hydrating toner, we suggest the S&P Prep 𝗵𝗵 Toner, which gives you the ultimate hydration with 5 types of peptides and 6 types of hyaluronic acid. Toners can also have cleansing and exfoliating properties such as the 𝗣𝗿𝗂𝗰𝗁 and apple cider vinegar toner. This clarifies and strips away dead skin cells and works on the scars, dark spots, acne and skin texture. So it's best not to skip a toner in your skincare routine. On the other hand, a toner can also be used like a refreshing mist in between the day when your skin needs refreshment. Think of toner as a snack that your skin needs from time to time. Moving on to what is an essence. This can be easily confused or rejected because it feels a lot like a toner, but they're both quite different. Essence is mostly water, but it contains active ingredients too. It helps to hydrate your skin and treat effectively at the same time. Due to its consistency and formulation, an essence reaches the deeper layer of your skin to do its job. In other words, it's permeable and high in efficacy. If you have a skin concern, you should definitely include an essence in your skincare routine. Since essence contains active ingredients, its properties depend upon its composition. You can apply it like a serum and press it like a toner. Layering any more further product with essence is not going to feel heavy at all or mildly feel like you've layered products. So the days when you want a skincare treatment and you want your skin to feel breezy, you can go in with an essence. So we have two favorite products for essence. First is the 𝗿𝗂𝗰𝗁 Nail Nutrient Essence. This one is a soothing treatment for acne, inflammation and dryness. The other product is the 𝗿𝗂𝗰𝗁 Blackhead Power Liquid. Now this one's a charm on blackheads, breakouts, whiteheads and skin texture. Next we come to what is a serum. A serum, as we all know, is used to address the skin concern that you want to focus on. It is rich in active ingredients and has antioxidants that help to fight free radical damage. Now the consistency of different serums can depend upon different brands. It can either be gel-like, water-like or has milk consistency. Since serums contain active ingredients in it, you must build tolerance for it before including it in your skincare routine. So to start with the lowest concentration of the active ingredient in a serum and then slowly build up on it. Also, before including a serum in your skincare routine, patch test it. When it comes to layering, start with a toner, layer it with an essence and then go in with a serum. Now since different serums can work on different skin concerns, in this video we would like to talk about a multi-purpose serum, which is the amino copper peptide serum. Now this serum works on a range of skin concerns from enlarged pores, wrinkles, lines, skin texture and much more, and it's just a single product which is truly works wonders. Now coming to the bigger question, can you skip a toner, essence or a serum in your skincare routine? Now while layering these three products might seem like a lot, but they all have their set of functions. But you can easily skip a toner if your essence has hydrating properties such as aloe vera, lavender or rose hydrosol. But let's not forget that toning your face before digging into your skincare regime is a very important step. Toner helps to maintain the plumpness of your skin. So skip your toner for an essence only when you feel that it has a composition which can help hydrate your skin and resurface the skin. So as per your choice of product, you may either skip a toner or an essence, but serum is unavoidable. As we all know, serum is used to address a particular skin concern. There's no chance that you can skip it. So our verdict remains that serums are unavoidable and you must at least include a toner or an essence in your skincare routine and find the products that work the best for you. Thank you for watching this video. We'll be linking all the products that we mentioned in this video in the description box below, so do check them out. And also do let us know what more kind of videos would you like to watch on our channel. Thank you.